Do you want to make money online but don't know where to start? Are you looking for passive income ideas without any investment that you can start right now? In this video, I will be sharing the top 5 ways to make money online up to $1,000 per month. If you stick to any of these and work hard, then trust me, you could be able to generate handsome amount of money each month. And you could also take any of them as a career. But I recommend to take it as a part-time job, and once you satisfy it, then you can take it as a full time. Many people are doing that and they are following the exact same principle. First, they take the work as a part time, and once they started making a lot of money, they take the work as a full time. So I hope it makes sense. And last but not the least, none of these ideas shown in this video needs any investment. It means that you don't need to invest a single penny to get started. So enough talking, and let's now begin with the top 5 ways to earn money online. Number 1 on our list is starting your own blog. Starting your own blog can be a great way to earn money online. Blogging is something that many people are doing and making a lot of money each month. If you have some skills and the time to put in the work, then blogging might be a great opportunity for you. The easiest way to start your own blog is to use blogger.com or wordpress.com, which are both free blogging platforms that you can use to start a blog without any previous experience. Otherwise, if you go for a coding blog, it may take a lot of time and cost. Now, once you have started your blog, the next thing you need to do is to find ways to monetize it to earn money online each month. And for this, there are many different ways. The most popular one out there that most of the people uses is through Google AdSense. And by displaying ads, you can make money. You can also do affiliate marketing, which includes selling somebody else's products and earn a commission. Amazon these days is the most popular company that allows you to sell products and earn a commission. For this, you just need to open Amazon affiliate account and you are done. You can also make money online by selling your own products and services through your blog. So it all depends on the traffic. If your blog hits hundreds or thousands of daily visitors, then you are good to go. Otherwise, if your blog doesn't get any views, then you will get nothing. So quality content with consistency is very important for a successful blogging career. On number 2, we have freelancing. If you have some skills, maybe you know video editing, graphic designing or programming, then freelancing is the best way to earn money online. You just need to work for your clients and in return they will pay you. For example, an average classic graphic designer earns $50 to $60 per hour. If you want to start freelancing, then I recommend to consider the platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. Make your profile and start working with potential clients. Number 3 on our list is starting a YouTube channel. The best way to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money on YouTube. The most common way that people uses is through Google AdSense and paid sponsorships. By setting up a Google AdSense account, which will give advertisers access to your YouTube videos, you can start making money. The more views and subscribers you have, the more likely your videos will be running ads and hence you will make more money. If you are starting with a new YouTube channel, then Google AdSense is the best way for monetizing, and as your channel grows bigger, then you can make money by other means that includes affiliate marketing, paid sponsorships, where people will pay you by displaying their ads in your videos. Number 4 on our list is creating an online course. Creating an online course is one of the most popular way to make money online these days. If you want to make money online by just doing what you love and sharing it with others, the best way these days to make money online is by creating your online course. People are making tens of thousands of dollars by creating online courses. Udemy, Skillshare and Coursera are the best platforms for creating your course and publish without any investment. When building an online course, it is essential that your viewers feel like they are getting something valuable out of it. You may create online courses in every field. Number 5 on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a term that refers to the business of selling stuff for other people in exchange for a commission. This can be anything from physical products such as clothes and shoes to digital products such as softwares and applications. There are many ways to monetize affiliate marketing, as we talked earlier about blogging, which involves creating a website that will rank high in the search engines, and by attracting people you can easily sell products and services that doesn't belong to you and you will get a commission. For this again you have many platforms that offer affiliate partnership program. Amazon, eBay and Alibaba are the most popular one out there who offers great commission for each sale. You can also advertise your products directly using social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Affiliate marketers can make higher incomes. There is no limit with earning potential of the affiliate marketer. It only depends on your effort and the niche you are working on. So these were the top 5 ways to make money online, and what I recommend is that always go for the method of earning money by doing something you already love, and you will also enjoy doing that. So guys, I hope this video will help someone who want to earn real money online. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notifications. At last, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next time.